Today, we're turning address numbers into pinpoint locations right on your Tableau maps. First, let's begin with a blank Tableau worksheet and your dataset. Imagine you've got a spreadsheet or database full of address numbers, not latitude and longitude. Just those frustratingly simple numerical addresses. That's what data needs. We're missing those vital geographic coordinates. Next, you'll need a geocoding service. This is the crucial step that will convert your address numbers into coordinates. There are numerous free and paid services out there. You will then visit the Geocoding Service's website and enter in the address numbers from your dataset. The Geocoding Service then gives you the latitude and longitude coordinates linked to the address numbers. These are your magic keys. Note how it's formatted, usually as to new columns within a table. Back in Tableau, import your dataset. You will then add your newly formatted latitude and longitude coordinates to create your geographic data. This new data will then be used to define the latitude and longitude of the address. Now, drag your latitude and longitude fields to the columns and rows shelves. Tableau should automatically recognize these as geographic coordinates and generate a map. You can then take any other data relevant to your addresses, like sales figures or customer demographics, to color code or size the location markers further. There it is, addresses on the map. Now, each address you have can be marked on a map. This enables precise geographic visualization and allows for precise spatial analysis. You've unlocked powerful insights linked to your specific address-level data. So, go forth and transform those address numbers into insightful maps. Don't forget to subscribe for more data visualization tips.